Picture this. You're in the elevator at work. The doors open, your coworker walks in, and then silence. You just stand there, watching the numbers go up. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yes, I know that feeling so well. You're like, do I say something? Do I look at my phone? Do I just stare at the wall?
Exactly. And today, we fix that. Hey everyone, welcome to English with Cheri. I'm Cheri.
And I'm Nick. And wow, Sherry, it's only Tuesday and we're already talking about elevator stress?
Only Tuesday. And that awkward silence, it happens to so many people, even people who speak English every day. So today, we're going to make it easy.
And the good news? You don't need to be perfect. You just need a few simple phrases. That's it.
Okay, so a lot of English learners, especially at the A1 and A2 level, tell me, Cheri, I study grammar, I study vocabulary, but when I'm at work and someone talks to me, I just freeze. You know what I mean?
Totally. And it's not because they don't know English. It's like the fear of making a mistake, right? It sort of just blocks everything.
Exactly. And that's why today we have a strategy. It's called simple, positive, short. That's it. 3 words. Simple, positive, short. You don't need long sentences. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need simple, positive, and short.
I love that. Simple, positive, short. And today we're going to practice that in 3 different places at work: the kitchen, the desk, and the lunchroom.
Yes. By the end of this episode, you are going to feel so much more confident.
And later, we'll show you the one mistake that makes conversation stop immediately.
Oh, yes, the conversation killer. You do not want to do that one.
Okay, let's start with scene 1 then.
Okay, scene 1, the kitchen and the elevator. These are places where conversations are kind of short by nature. You make your coffee, you wait for the elevator, and then you leave. So the pressure is low, and that is great news for us.
Right, right. It's like a perfect training ground. Low pressure, short time. You're not stuck in a long conversation. So let's look at some key phrases, yeah?
Yes, and actually, let's not just talk about them, let's show you what they sound like. Nick, quick role play. You're my coworker, we're in the elevator. Ready?
Ready. Stepping in. Okay, I'm in the elevator. Standing here, looking at the wall.
Morning, how are you today?
Good, thanks. You?
Not bad. Is it Friday yet?
I wish.
And scene. See, that was 10 seconds. Easy, natural, done. That is what we're going for.
So good. Okay, let's break down each of those phrases.
Yes. Okay, first one. Morning, how are you today? Simple, right? Now, listen to how I say it. Morning, how are you today? Notice I say morning, not good morning. In casual English, office English, people often just say morning. It's short, it's friendly, you can totally do that.
And here's a cultural note that I think is really important. When someone says, "How are you?" at work, they're usually just saying hello. It's kind of like a greeting, not a real question. So you don't need to say like, "Well, my back hurts and I didn't sleep well," and no, no, no.
Yes, just say good thanks, you, and that's it. That's the perfect answer. Good thanks, you, easy. Next phrase, and this one is kind of a joke phrase that people use when they're tired. Ready? Is it Friday yet? You say this when it's like Monday or Tuesday, and you just feel like the week is so long.
Right, it's a joke. You're not really asking what day it is. You're just kind of saying, "I'm tired and I want the weekend." And it always makes people laugh a little, you know? It's a really easy way to connect.
Exactly. And now, the weather safety net. Very important. If you don't know what to say, talk about the weather. It's like the universal conversation starter. And the phrase is so simple. It's so cold outside today, isn't it? Or, it's so hot outside today, isn't it? That's all. Just change cold or hot depending on the season.
And notice the "isn't it" at the end. That's what we call a question tag. It's like you're inviting the other person to agree with you. You're not putting pressure on them, you're just sort of saying, "Right? You agree?" And almost everyone will say, "I know, right?" Or "Yes, totally." Easy response for them, easy start for you.
Perfect. So your scene 1 toolkit is Morning, how are you today? How was your weekend? Is it Friday yet? And it's so cold outside today, isn't it? Write those down, learn those four, and you will survive any kitchen or elevator moment.
Yes. Okay, scene 2 time.
Scene 2, the desk. Okay, so this situation is a little different because when you go to someone's desk, they might be busy. They might be in the middle of something. So there's an important skill here, which is asking for permission to talk. And that's actually really polite in English.
Right. It's kind of like knocking before you open a door, right? You check first. You don't just start talking. And the phrases for this are so easy. Like, are you busy at the moment? Or do you have a minute?
Yes, exactly. Do you have a minute is like one of the most useful phrases in any English office. It's polite, short, and it shows you respect the other person's time. And then once you're in the conversation, you can use, how is that project going? This is great small talk at the desk. You show interest in their work.
Totally. And when you leave or when you know they have a meeting soon, say, good luck with your meeting. That's such a warm and kind thing to say. People really appreciate it. Let's do a quick role play. I'll come to your desk, Cheri.
Okay, I'm at my desk, typing away.
Hey, Cheri, are you busy at the moment?
Not really. What's up?
Oh, just wanted to say hi. How is that project going?
It's going well, thanks for asking. A little busy, but it's fine. How about you?
Same. Anyway, I have a meeting in 5 minutes. I'll let you get back to it.
Good luck with your meeting.
Thanks. See you later.
And scene. See how natural that felt? Nobody was rude, nobody was awkward. It was just easy and polite. That is the desk conversation in a nutshell. Ask first, chat a little, then leave gracefully. Beautiful.
I love it. Okay, now we get to the best part of the day, lunch.
Scene 3, the lunch break. Okay, so why is lunch the best time for English learners to practice conversation? Nick, tell them.
Okay, so at the desk, people are working, right? They're focused. They want to be efficient. But at lunch, everyone's relaxed. Everyone is taking a break. Nobody is in a hurry. So people are actually happy to talk longer. It's like the perfect window for a bit more conversation.
Exactly. And the easiest way to start a lunch conversation is food, because everyone is eating. And the phrase is so fun. What are you having for lunch? It smells good. You can say this even if you're not sure if it smells good or not. It's just a nice, friendly thing to say. People love it when you notice their food.
Right. It's like a compliment, sort of, and it opens the door so naturally because then the person will tell you what they're eating, and then you can say, oh, that sounds delicious, or I should try that. Easy follow-up phrases.
Yeah, it's kind of like saying, morning, how are you today? But for food, same energy, same idea, just different time of day.
Exactly that energy.
Okay, let's do the lunch role play. We're both sitting in the lunchroom. Go.
Hey, what are you having for lunch? It smells really good.
Oh, it's pasta. I made it at home this morning. It's kind of a family recipe, you know?
Oh, wow, that sounds so good. You cook. I can't cook at all. I just order food every day.
Well, it's easy once you start. Anyway, are you going to the office party on Friday?
Oh, yes, I think so. It should be fun. Are you?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Hey, do you have any plans for the weekend after that?
Not yet. Maybe visit my parents. I'm not sure. How about you?
I want to go hiking if the weather is nice. Oh, by the way, have you seen the news today? It's supposed to rain all weekend.
Oh no, really? That's too bad. Well, maybe the party inside is the best plan then.
Baby, you're right. Okay, let's pause here. Did you notice all those phrases we just used? Are you going to the office party on Friday? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Have you seen the news today? All of those are so natural and so easy to use at lunch. And the conversation just flowed, right?
Perfect advice. Okay, scene 4, the graceful exit. This is a really important one because a lot of people, they don't know how to end the conversation, and then it just gets weird and awkward. So we need some good exit phrases.
Right. And the thing is, leaving a conversation politely is actually a skill. It's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. You want the other person to feel good, not like you're running away from them.
So what are the actual phrases we can use?
Here are your exit phrases. First one, Anyway, I should get back to work. The word anyway is really helpful here. It kind of signals that the conversation is ending. It's like a soft warning. You're not just leaving suddenly.
Yes, and another really nice one is, I'll let you get back to it. This is actually really thoughtful because you're, thinking about the other person. You're saying, I know you're busy, I respect that. It's very warm.
Love that one. And then you just close with see you later. Or at the end of the day, have a great evening. Simple, positive, short. Let's do the role play.
Okay, so we've been talking for a while in the kitchen. I'm going to exit now. Ready? So, yeah, it was a pretty busy week. Anyway, I should get back to work.
Of course. I'll let you get back to it. See you later.
See you. Have a great evening.
You too. And scene. See how smooth that was? Nobody felt rejected. Nobody felt like the conversation ended badly. It just closed naturally and nicely. That is what we're going for.
Beautiful. Okay, now this next part is one of my favorite parts of the whole episode. Cheri, tell them about the question plus one rule.
Yes, okay, this is a pro tip. The rule that will make your conversations feel so much more natural. It's called the question plus one rule. And the formula is simple. You answer the question, you add one detail, and then you ask the same question back. That's it. Answer, one detail, ask back.
Right, so let's do a bad example. Someone asks, how was your weekend? And you just say, good. That's it. Good. Full stop. Nothing else. And then silence.
Yeah, that's the conversation killer right there. Good. And now the other person has to work so hard to keep it going. It's kind of awkward, right? So instead, let's do the good example. Same question, how was your weekend? And now use the rule.
Okay, it was good. I went to the park with my dog. How about you? Answer, one detail, ask back. Done. Beautiful. The conversation keeps going and it was so easy.
Well said, Nick. Okay, we are almost at the end of today's episode. Let me do a quick summary of everything we covered. Scene 1, kitchen and elevator. Morning, how are you today? How was your weekend? Is it Friday yet? And it's so cold outside today, isn't it?
Scene 2, at the desk. Are you busy at the moment? Do you have a minute? How is that project going? And good luck with your meeting.
Scene 3, lunch. What are you having for lunch? It smells good. Are you going to the office party on Friday? Do you have any plans for the weekend? And have you seen the news today?
And scene 4, graceful exits. Anyway, I should get back to work. I'll let you get back to it. See you later, and have a great evening. Plus, the question plus one rule. Answer, one detail, ask back. Done.
That is your complete office small talk toolkit. And here is your challenge for this week. Pick just one phrase from today, just one, and use it tomorrow at work or school. You don't need to use all of them at once, just one phrase. Try it, see what happens. I think you'll be surprised.
Love that challenge. And hey, let us know in the comments, what is your favorite icebreaker from today's episode? Write it down below. We will love to read your answers. Seriously, we read every single comment.
We really do. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you so much for listening.
And remember, next time you're in that elevator, you won't freeze.
You'll say, morning, how are you today?
And just like that, the silence is gone.
That's real progress. One small sentence. See you next time on English with Cheri.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.